IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How often do you take photos? Band 5. Answer.
I take photos sometimes, especially when I travel or go out with friends. I usually use my phone and I don't really edit them, I just like to keep memories.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, some repetition. Grammar, mostly simple sentences. Pronunciation, generally clear but flat. Typical of a Band 5, understandable but very safe and slightly dullies. Band 7.5 answer.
I take photos fairly often, mostly when something catches my attention, like a nice view or a special moment with friends. I usually use my phone, and sometimes I adjust the lighting, but I don't spend too long editing them.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth, well-organized response. Lexical resource, good range, fairly often, catches my attention. Grammar, variety of sentence structures. Pronunciation, natural and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 7.5, confident, clear, and flexible language. Band 9 answer.
I take photos quite regularly, though not obsessively. I tend to photograph moments that feel meaningful rather than staged. Things like spontaneous gatherings or interesting details I notice during the day. For me, photos are more about storytelling than perfection.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and engaging. Lexical resource, precise, nuanced vocabulary. Grammar, complex structures used naturally. Pronunciation, fully natural and expressive. Typical of a Band 9, sounds thoughtful, authentic, and human, not rehearsed. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.